My beautiful and amazing people, Olakunle Churchill family don come confirm to Tonto Dike all the hidden secrets over time ever since she was not in the picture. My people, make una draw una chair come closer make una come hear matter wey dey for ground. Wonders dey say e shall never end. Una see dis life once you realize yourself say your own na to collect wetin no be your property and making the person look, you go collect person thing finish come dey expect am make e no cry. Once you realize yourself say na dat kain person na you be, make you ready say anyhow wey God take bring am your way, anyhow wey karma take come knock your door give you, you go collect am rub body my love. My people, no be small thing oo. Una know say for some time now, information just dey fly the whole media space that Tonto Dike is planning on returning back to Olakunle Churchill, and that all dis her small small post wey she dey post these days now, where she dey come praise Churchill, she dey do some kind things, dey post im picture, dey pray for am, all the bad bad stuff wey she don use her mouth take curse am, she use her mouth take retrieve am back. Thank God say she still dey alive. Na prayer she dey pray for am these days now, being the father of her son. So people come dey talk say e be like say Tonto Dike dey plan to return back to Olakunle Churchill oo, because with wetin we dey see so, na wetin our mind dey tell us. Online in-laws just dey think dat one aloud. Dey think am go, dey think am come, but still dey tell Tonto Dike say make she dey very very careful with Olakunle Churchill, so that wetin happen for 1960 no go repeat itself again. Now to cut the long story short, una know say Rosie Mora bin don enter obodo na Cancun for some time now. No be today oo. Before dey even reconcile, before dat time wey she come talk say she wan talk her own story, say na she get her story, she wan use her mouth take talk am, she bin don travel, don dey for Cancun, wey make people come dey talk am say e be like say dem bin don even separate sef. All the dis wey dem dey do na just paparazzi. Dey just dey do, dey hide under the canopy. Dey no dey together again. But for the fact say none of dem don come out come confirm am, even when she go come Daddy Freeze live, she was still saying it that she go fit kpai for Churchill matter, and that she no know Tonto Dike before. All those while wey dem dey talk say she know Tonto Dike, she no know Tonto Dike. The only day wey she see Tonto Dike, she come out come expose herself by herself. My people, now Rosie don dey cry. Chai! Rosie don dey cry because people wey suppose support her during dis process, people wey suppose stand with her during dis process, dem don turn their back. Why? Because her hands bin no clean, allegedly according to the story. Now dem even don come do the unimaginable. Una know say when Rosie come Daddy Freeze live come dey talk, she talk am say Churchill daughter wey im born for outside dey with her for some time now, and she has never come out even for once come talk say the daughter dey with her. She has been taking care of the daughter on a low. Say if she no fit do anything for Churchill, shebi she go come carry the daughter come dey take care of the daughter? Of course not. So for that reason, the daughter has been with her and they are living their life. Omo, they say the family, Churchill family, finally don collect the daughter of Olakunle Churchill, hand over to Tonto Dike. Come also tell Tonto Dike everything wey Olakunle daughter bin tell Tonto Dike the last time wey she first come during Andrell birthday, wey she talk am say no be today na dem don dey work tirelessly to make sure say dem bring Tonto Dike back. Sotey dem don go discuss how dem go take meet her father, make dem discuss on how to take settle dem, make dem co-parent in peace, and so on and so forth. Once they don agree finish, they don arrange, they don talk say okay on so so day so so time they go meet Tonto Dike papa, make dem finalize with im people, make dem co-parent in peace. Before you know, one drama go lead to the other. At the end of the day, this guy wey dey call Churchill go later call im people say im no get chance, im travel or im about to travel, one thing lead to the other wey make people dey talk am say dat one sef no dey ordinary. Dem don wash give Olakunle Churchill wey dey confusion am, make am no dey focus, make am no know wetin im come dis life come do. Last last, it is what it is. At the end of the day now, dem come dey confirm am to Tonto Dike, saying that they have checked her in and out, and they have come to realize that even before she repented, their body, mind, and soul accepted her. Even when they get this their back and forth, say e really pain them. Say Tonto dey always come out that time, they come cry, they come dey talk her story, they cry. Una know say no be small cry wey Tonto Dike cry. At the end of the day, Rosie come out come talk say she no know wetin Tonto Dike dey talk o. E come making it look like Tonto Dike don kolo mentus. She no know wetin she dey talk. And whereas all she was saying that time was the pure truth. You know, she stated it that Tonto Dike, Rosie wan scatter her marriage o. At the beginning be that o. She say Rosie wan scatter her marriage, and Rosie is her friend. She wan scatter her marriage. But Rosie make am look like Tonto Dike don mad. The ukpomiri wey she dey take, she dey take things and things. So that things and things wey she dey take, e don dey affect her. She no know wetin she dey talk. She say she is never a friend to Tonto Dike, whereas she was her friend. She go behind her back, go collect her man, snatch am, start dey use the man without paying her, without anything. The man on the other end being the part say im man no be ordinary eye dey take hold am. And for the fact say any man wey im third leg too no dey sit down one place, if thunder wan fire am, e no dey look face before e do wetin e go do. So Adeyemi still respect himself as a man. No how no how e look away, e for no fall under that trap. So no be say na Rosie fault 100%, Olakunle fault too dey inside, because him too, im eye no dey one place. Because if im eye dey one place, e get some kind things wey be say e no fit even catch you, not your wife's friend and your worker for that matter. E for still get limit if to say im third leg dey hear word, or im third leg dey sit down for one place. But na wetin e be na e still be. Make we no come dey drag matter dey go, dey drag am dey come. Na im the family of the Olakunle Churchill now say from now henceforth dem hand over the daughter to Tonto Dike. Anything wey Tonto Dike like, make she use the girl do. The girl fit stay with her. In short, as from now henceforth, na she born the girl. Even though the girl get mama, you know say before Tonto Dike even left, wey their marriage go south, na she bin go talk to the mother of the girl. When the mother of the girl no wan gree make Olakunle Churchill come close to her daughter, based on say she too she dey vex due to the way Olakunle Churchill take treat her. She was angry. Na Tonto Dike na im go settle the both of them, wey make the girl come get access to her father here and there. Na all thanks to Tonto Dike. Because if to say Tonto Dike no go settle them, by now Olakunle Churchill for no see who im go dey waka waka with. Because as Rosie too dey go, e pack im children follow body. No be only she dey for Cancun, or she pack am give her mama or something, but the children no dey with Olakunle Churchill. So Adeyemi, Tonto Dike no help am that time from the very beginning to create relationship between the mother of the girl and the Olakunle Churchill. By now na only Olakunle for dey live im life. Nobody wey go dey follow am about. Nobody wey go dey tell am say see. Nobody wey go dey call am daddy this or daddy that. Now e for just be for am, e for just red. But last God finally win. Say the family now come say they don hand over the daughter now to Tonto Dike. Anything wey she wan do, make she dey send the girl. Anything wey she wan, as in anything at all, from now henceforth the girl go dey call her mama, she go call the girl her daughter. No be only Andrea she born, she also born dat girl. Na im pipu come dey ask now say dis one wey dem don carry handing over carry give Tonto Dike, wait oo, does that now mean that they are coming back? Because she's not a stepmother, because she and Olakunle Chochi, they are not married, they are separated. So meaning she won't come become stepmom again, they won't come retie the knot, or what exactly? People now come dey ask question o, say omo, like joke Tonto Dike wan come possess in possession, because now the family don kuku give her approval. How they take don suffer put to take bring them back before now, how they take don suffer put to take go talk to Tonto Dike family, at the end of the day all to no avail. Today they go talk say they go, before you know Olakunle go say e no go fit meet up, and only them as family they no go fit waka just go meet Tonto Dike father like that. They go need to go with prominent people that matters. So at the end of the day, Olakunle Chochi go come scatter am, e go come make am look as if dem no know wetin dem dey do. Na so dem dey do over the years o, for 10 good years, not knowing say no be ordinary eye na im dey take follow Chochi. Abi the ordinary eye too come enter the family, I no know o. But the family own, dey say their eye dey very very clear. Just that as the whole thing dey play, Churchill too come wan dey separate himself for where dem dey. But because of say dem no wan leave Churchill make e no become prodigal son, make dem no come do am strong thing, na im make they were still standing with him, making sure that anyhow wey e wan be, im no lose for life 100%. So na the matter be this o. Say Tonto Dike has never been a bad person, that they have seen her do so many exploits, they have seen her do wonders. So e no go really make sense if they just decide to turn their back. But just that they were scared that time coming closer, because she was very very angry. She say she can pull down the house, she can put fire on the house if she want to. In as well as say her anger don come. So they were scared of coming closer, and they were scared of doing some kind things. But now that the door is open, that she can now possess her possession, they are giving her 1001% assurance and go ahead to do whatsoever that pleases her with the Churchill. Go and make yourself happy with Olakunle Churchill, with the children. You have access to them any day, anytime. My people, no be small thing o. You see this life, patience is everything. If you think say God no dey exist, try am make you fall for the hand of person wey God dey with. Na that time you go know say God is not just only existing, but God remained the same yesterday, today, and forever. Now see the family now come confirm am to Tonto Dike that they have been trying, but thank God today it was a huge success. E ended in praise. So make she do anything wey dey her mind. She also, she's so very happy that people really believe in her, and today e don dey turn to matured, turn to wetin she really wanted it to be, to the glory of God. So last they don take over, they don give Tonto Dike order from above that she should take over from where Rosie stop. Nothing like say this one that one, let her take over from where Rosie stop. Unless na the Churchill now na him no ready, but even him is 100% ready. So she can now take over. Already they don give her pikin wey she go join with Andrea, make Andrea too no come dey lonely. Make she fit forge ahead, do wetin she go do. My people, na the matter be this o. I say make I come drop am for una, say una see the way Rosie take enter one chance like this. Una see the way nothing lasts forever. Una see say all these snatchers association of the world, one by one they go dey collect woto front and back. They go dey do them wetin no good. At the end of the day, they go realize their self. My people, I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. Na me dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.